Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. If you would like to learn how to make a drawstring bag, then don't miss this video. So for this tutorial, we're going to be starting by cutting out our fabric, and we're going to be cutting it into two, and I'm going to measure out 13 inches for the length and 9 inches for the width. I used the crepe fabric to make this particular drawstring bag, but if you would be using a certain fabric, you want to put the right sides together, and yeah, just put the right sides together. So I'm going to be measuring out 2.5 inches from the top. Then you want to pin and iron flat, iron it down. You want to use a hot iron. My iron is not plugged, it's just for demonstration. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. And no, you don't have to use crepe or satin. You can use any type of fabric that you want. And also you can make this with or without a sewing machine. Yes, you can make this with your needle and thread. So I'm just going to sew downwards. As you can see me demonstrate, I'm going to sew round this bag, this drawstring bag, but I'm going to leave the top parts out of this. So after sewing it round into the corners, this is what we have. This is what we have after sewing it down. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out that pin. These particular drawstring bags are very easy and quick to make, so just take your time, watch what I do and follow it, and I'm very sure you get it. So I'm just taking that pin I removed and placing it at the edge, because I'm going to be making a straight seam. So I'm making a straight seam at both sides. I'm making a straight seam at both sides, and I'm going in by half of an inch. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to show you what we have. And yes, exactly, this is what we have after making that seam on both sides. So I'm going to go in by half of an inch again, and also make another seam at both sides on each of the sides of my drawstring bag. So I'm just going to do that quickly, and I'll show you when I'm done. So we are done sewing, and this is what we have. We just created a channel that we're going to be passing our strap or ribbon through. So this is the strap I'm going to be using. I'm just going to use my pin or whatever. You can use a safety pin for this. I couldn't find my safety pin, so I just went in with this thing I'm using to pass the ribbon or strap through that channel. So I'm just going to pass it through the channel. I'm going to continue to the other side of the strap and then bring it out. So when I'm done bringing it out, I'm going to just tie it together like so. I'm going to tie it together. Then I'm going to go in with the second strap, because I have two of this strap or ribbon. So I'm just going to pass it through the other side. Please just make sure you follow through with all I'm showing you. I promised you that this is going to be very easy, and yeah, as you can see, it's very simple and easy to make, and you can make this in 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm just going to pass the other strap through the same channel, and yeah, I'm going to do that quickly. So when it comes out, you continue to the other side, and just make sure you take your time to do this, and please use a safety pin so it's easy for you to pass your strap faster. I kept struggling with this because I couldn't find the safety pin, and I just had to make use of what I had available at the time of recording this video. So yeah, I'm just going to do that quickly, and yeah, we have our drawstring bag. So what you want to do now is to just pull gently, hold at both sides and pull gently, hold at both sides and pull gently, and you have your very easy, very simple drawstring bag. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy seeing videos like this. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you. I'll see you in the next video.